What's up, guys? Welcome back for another video and a view into Huck's World. And today we got some Halloween watch faces for you all to check out by my man ACD. And this is a giveaway, so if you want free watch faces, if you want some Halloween watch faces, hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts on these watch faces and if you want one. Now, I got 6 in all to review, so sit back, relax, and let's check these watch faces out. All right, we're gonna start off with number 1. It's called ACD Halloween 1. Now, this one is nice. You got a pumpkin lit up at the bottom. You got your date. You also got the day. You got Halloween at the top, and you get a nice digital time at the bottom. And you got this spider web in the background. I like the bat theme that sits dead center. It looks really nice. I thought ACD did a great job on this Halloween watch face. No, it is not interactive. It is affordable in the Gear Manager store as well, but it looks great. Let's go on, people, and check out watch face number 2. Watch face number 2. Now, number 2 is just as nice as number 1, people. I like the animation in the eyes. They blink. I thought that was really, really creative by the developer. Now, you are going to get the same look in the AOD mode. It's just going to be dimmed down, but I like the look of this. I like the work that he put in the detailing of this. It's not bad at all. Now, if you look at the top, you will get your heart rate information. You come down, you got a stack time with animated seconds, and it does give you your battery percentage, which is important to know. And you also get the day and the month and the date. And not a bad look. And no, it is not interactive, but I'm going to tell you it is affordable in the Gear Manager store. But remember, if you want one, you got to comment in the comment section down below for an opportunity to win. Cool? Let's check out number 3. It's called ACD Halloween 3. Very nice. I'm loving the theme of this one. Very traditional. Now, in the always on mode, you're going to get a good look for the Gears 3, the Gears 2, and also the Galaxy Watch. Listen, people, I like the way he presented this one. It looks realistic. You got a witch on the broom with the cat, and you got a moon in the background, which sets this whole watch face off. Very nice. Now, you will get your day, your date, your month. You're also going to get a nice spooky looking digital time, battery percentage at the bottom. And for those of y'all who still want to keep up with your step info, you got heart rate here and your step info right there. I'm telling you, my man outdid himself with this one. And you can customize the color of this one by double tapping on the watch face. And you get about 13 different colors out of this one, if I can get this one to go. And you got to double tap on it, and it'll bring up the different colors. He did a great job with this one, people. What do you think? All right, let's check out watch face number 4. My man continues to do his thing with these Halloween watch faces, right? Now, this one is called ACD Halloween 4. Nice look. I'm loving the theme of this one. I like the animation, and you're pretty much going to get the same look for the Gears 3 and the Gears 2, and they may differ just slightly, but you'll still be able to see your digital time at a glance with no problem. Now, when the watch face is on, you get the witch sitting in the moonlight. I really, really like the detailing of this watch face. You got the bats flying in the background, got the spooky house as well as the animated pumpkin and the cat. Very nice look, and you do get a spooky time and date with this one as well, right? But with this one, you can go a little bit further because you got a little bit more customization, so this may tend to cost a little bit more. But remember, comment in the comment section down below and you can have an opportunity to win. All right, now with that being said, you will get 8 background colors and 9 moon colors. Check this out, right? The background colors are nice. You can change them to whatever theme you would like to have it at. And again, you get quite a few to choose from. I thought ACD did real nice with adding this one to this watch face. Very nice. And also the moon. Double tap, you can change the moon color. I'm loving it. I thought the developer did a real awesome job with this watch face. Looks nice, people. Again, you got to hit me in the comment section below. Let me know your thoughts on face number 5. Number 5 is called ACD Halloween 5. This one is different, but yet is nice. And always on mode, you're gonna have the same look. It's just gonna be in the dark theme mode for the Gears 2 and the Gears 3. Not bad at all, right? When the watch face is on, I do like the animation of the glowing eyes at the top with this spooky guy, whoever he is, right? And it has a nice analog look. I do like the hand, and it does have a ticking second hand that's going around the bezel of the watch. Give it a little bit of class. But you will get in this dial your day of the week, and you also get your date. Over here, you're going to get your step status and your step status goal completed. Down at the bottom, you will get your digital time, which isn't a bad look, right? I like this. And if I tap on this one, I can get more of my step status info if I need to go in deeper. Same thing here. If I want to go in and set an event on my calendar, I can. And if I touch on the time, you will be able to get or set an alarm. Now, I like this look, but he took it a step further because he's going to allow you to customize this. And you get about, if I'm not mistaken, it's going to be like 12 different colors that you can customize this watch face to, which isn't bad. Let's go through a few of them. You got 12. Tap right here. Not bad. I like all the colors. What do you think, people? This is watch face number 5. All right, let's go on and check out the last but not least watch face number 6. Watch face number 6 is called ACD Halloween 6, people, and he outdid himself with this one. I thought it was very unique. I thought it was very creative, and I love it, right? I like Halloween. I'm not into Halloween like that, but I'm thinking my man went way outside the box with this one. Now, what you're gonna get is 8 border colors with this one, right? Along with the animated spooky faces that's gonna show up every now and then when you cut your watch face on, right? And you will get a digital time down at the bottom. I thought he got very creative with this one, and you will get the date at the top to keep you informed on what date it is, right? I like it. I thought the developer did a great job with this one. And let's take a look at some of the borders that you can get with this watch face. And they're not bad, right? Gives it a different look according to what you're wearing for that day or what color you like that's gonna go with this animated face that keeps showing up every now and then. But yeah, I like it, people. What do you think? I thought ACD got down on all these Halloween watch faces. I know there's more in the Gear Manager store, but listen, ACD always does good work. Support them. I'm gonna support them. And with that, people, remember what you gotta do in order to win. Comment. All right, you all, that's gonna be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative, and if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you wanna see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And again, people, I will see you all at the next one. Take care.